It would behoove us as scientists to look into some of the new and cutting edge information on the science street. So let's attempt to do this. This may not be perfect. I may have to record and re record and wipe and revise a lot in this playlist. But let's be patient with each other and see what we can learn. Epigenetics is the examination of traits that can be inherited without a change of the DNA sequence. The implication is maybe DNA is not everything. Maybe there are magic things which can turn on or off DNA expressivity and silencing. Is this true or false? Thumbs up for true, thumbs down for false. I am going to place some links from some source documents. I'm getting some of my information, where I'm getting some of my information. You may not like these, but as I said, I'm just trying to voyage into no man's land here. Let's do it together.